So in this set, he says 6 courier agencies, pack courier, sack courier, mac courier, tag, jack, and hack courier were ranked from 1 to 6 on each of the 3 parameters. Speed of delivery, cost to value, and customer care. No two agencies have the same rank for any of the parameters. No two agencies have the same rank for any parameter. None of the 6 agencies have the same rank for any 2 of the 3 parameters. In any parameter, a numerically lower rank is considered better than a numerically higher rank, which is generally also true. Rank 1 is better than rank 2, which is better than rank 3. Some of the ranks of every agency in speed of delivery and cost to value was less than or equal to 8. And then there is more information, and there are lot many more informations about this. So let me just write all the info on one single page and let's try to solve it now. So here once again I have made a table. There are 6 agencies. They are ranked on speed of delivery, cost to value, customer care. I have to write down all these values here. And I have to keep in mind all values in a column are different because it is clearly written that none of the 6 agencies have the same rank for any 2 out of the 3 parameters. All the values in every row are also different because in any parameter, it is given that no two agencies have the same rank for any parameter. So by that logic, column wise all values are different, row wise all values are different. And he says sum of the ranks of every agency in speed of delivery and cost to value, that is sum of the ranks in these two should be less than equal to 8. So this rank plus this rank should always be less than or equal to 8. These two ranks should always be less than equal to 8. How do we start? We have discussed it before. Start with the most specific data first. Let's start. The rank of pack courier for speed of delivery was equal to rank of hack courier for cost of value. No specific data. Rank of hack for speed was equal to pack. No specific data. Rank of mac courier was better than that of jack courier, while rank of jack courier was not better than this. No specific. Rank of sack courier. This is the first specific data. The rank of sack courier for cost to value was 4. So for cost to value, it was 4. While it did not hold the second rank for speed of delivery, let's use this as well. It did not use second rank for speed of delivery, so this is not true. The agency whose rank was 6 for speed of delivery did not hold the top rank for cost to value, no specific. Rank of jack courier for cost to value was 3rd. Rank of jack for cost to value was 3rd, so this is 3. While pack courier held 5th rank for speed of delivery, pack courier held 5th rank for speed of delivery, so I write 5 here. This is used. This is used. Next. The sum of the ranks of tag and hack couriers in speed of delivery was equal to rank of pack courier in this, so on and so forth. No specific data. Mac courier holds a better rank than jack courier in customer care. No specific data. So till now, whatever we could write, we have already written that. So we have written 5 here, we have written 4 here, we have written 3 over here, keeping in mind that sum of these two values should always be less than or equal to 8. So by that logic, can I say here I cannot write anything apart from 1 and 2 because I anyways cannot write 3. 3 is already here. And if I write something more than 3, the sum would become more than 8. So this value has to be 1 or 2. Similarly, going by the same logic, can I say this can only be 1 or 3? Why this should only be 1 or 3? Because 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 anyways I can't write, he just told us. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 I cannot write because 4 is already in that row, and I cannot write 5 is already there in the column. Of course 6 cannot be written. The sum would become more than equal to 8. So this number has to be either 1 or 3 only. I cannot write anything else apart from that. Now because there is no more specific data, so now I have to go back to the other things one by one. The rank of pack courier for speed of delivery was equal to rank of hack courier for cost of value. Pack courier for speed of delivery, right? Pack courier for speed of delivery, which is already 5. It is given to us. It was equal to rank of hack courier for cost of value. So can I say this is also 5 by that logic? If this is 5, this is also equal to 5 by that logic. I hope you have understood my point. If I write 5 over there, I have to write 5 over here. And the rank of hack courier for speed of delivery, hack courier for speed of delivery is this rank, was equal to pack courier for cost of value, which is 1 or 2. So once again, this value can be either 1 or 2, right? So these two are the same. I'm putting a tick sign that these two are the same. If I write a 1 here, I'll be writing a 1 there. If I write a 2 here, I'll be writing a 2 over there. These two values I have to write now. Okay, what next? So this is also used. Come to B. The rank of Mac Courier was better than Jack for cost to value. Mac Courier was better than Jack for cost to value. Better than Jack means better than 3. If Mac Courier has got a rank which is better than 3, so can I say this rank would also be either 1 or 2? This rank would be either 1 or 2. I hope you have got my point. While the rank of Jack Courier for speed of delivery, Jack Courier for speed of delivery is this, was not better than rank for cost of value, which is 3. So it is not better than 3. If it is not better than 3, it is worse than 3. And if it is worse than 3, it can be either 4 or 6. Why not 5? 5 is already there. So this rank would be either 4 or 6. This also has been used. Now I see something happening over here. Probably we are going towards the solution now. How are we going towards the solution? This value is 4 or 6. I of course cannot take 6 because 6 plus 3 will make sum greater than 8. So I cannot write 6. I must be having a 4 here. I hope you got my point. Now where can I write 6? I cannot write 6 here. It is already 5. I can't write 6 here. I can't write 6 here. I can't write 6 here. Can I write 6 here? Possibly. Can I write 6 here? Possibly. At these two places, I can write 6. That is a possibility for us. Okay. But still, there are many things left. I have to write 1 or 2 at these two places. Okay, once again, can I say if I have to write 1 or 2 here for pack in cost to value, I have to write 1 or 2 for Mac. That means definitely 1 and 2, they both will be used at these two places. Both 1 and 2, one of them will be 1, one of them will be 2. They both will be used at one of these two places, and one of them would be used at no. Currently, still we are left with some other things. We have to find out other values as well. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we only thing left with? That is 6. So I have to write 6 here, guys. I'm sure you are understanding my point. This has to be 6. And this has to be 6. I cannot write 6 here. Otherwise, sum of 6 plus 6 would become greater than 8. So here the only 6 I have to write here. If I'm writing a 6 over here, I will have to write a 6 over here as well. I hope you got my point. Now the next thing is, can I write a 3 here? If I do not write a 3 here, let's say 5 is here, 1 is here, 6 is here, 4 is here, 3 can't come here. I'll have to write 3 here. But 3 plus 6 will make it more than 8 then once again. So I will not write 3 here. If I cannot write 3 over here, the only place I can write 3 at is this place. So I must write 3 over here now. I have 3, 4, 5 and 6 at these four places. So this also should be either 1 or 2. The way I have 1 or 2 over here, 1 or 2 over here, 1 or 2 over here, 1 or 2 over here. The only thing that I have not used till now is D. The agency whose rank was 6th for speed of delivery, that is this agency, did not hold the top rank for cost of value. So it did not hold the top rank. That means it cannot have 1 here. It must be 2. If it is 2, it must be 1. If it is 1, it also should be 1. If it is 1, this should be 2. So yes, we have got all the values now. 5, 3, 6, 2, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 5. About customer care, let's try this now. The sum of the ranks of tag and hack couriers in speed of delivery. Tag and hack in speed of delivery is 2 plus 1, 3. It is equal to the rank of pack in customer care. So its rank should be 3 over here. Which was one rank better than rank of tag in customer care. It is one better than tag in customer care. So tag should be 4. 3 is one better than 4, right? So do not take 2 because 3 is better than 4 by one rank. That means it is better than 4. But one rank worse than that of SAC in customer care. 3 is one worse than SAC. So SAC must be 2, right? I have 2, 3 and 4. I am left with 1, 5 and 6. 1 and 5 are already here. I cannot write 6. Sorry, I cannot write 1 or 5. So 6 must be here. Now I'm left with 1 or 5 at these two places. Last says Mac Courier holds a better rank than Jack Courier in customer care. So Mac has a better rank. So that must be 1. This must be 5. And that makes the whole table. This was probably one of the easier sets among all of them because we had that one set of batsmen which was quite difficult. The other set of that acting script writing which was also difficult. But this was still on the easier side. Let's have a look at the solution. What was the rank of hack courier in speed of delivery? So hack courier in speed of delivery is ranked 1. The answer is 1. What is the absolute difference between rank of mac in speed of delivery, that is 6, and that of tac in cost of value, that is 6? The difference is 0. How many courier agencies have the sum of their ranks in 3 parameters as 9? So let's have a look at this. 5 plus 1 plus 3. Yes, this comes out to be 9. 3 plus 4 plus 2. Yes, it is equal to 9. 6 plus 2 plus 1. Yes, it is 9. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is not 9. 4 plus 3 plus 5 is not 9. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is not 9. So 3 of them has a sum of 9. The answer is 3. And how many agencies were ranked worse than SAC in speed of delivery? Worse than SAC in speed of delivery. Worse than SAC are these 3 in speed of delivery, but better than SAC in cost of value. So better than SAC in cost of value are again the same 3. So same 3 are worse than SAC in speed of delivery, better than SAC in cost to value. So all 3 of them are the answer for us.